Unveil dark psychology to win your crush. Picture this, the subtle power of dark psychology. Not for the faint-hearted, but it's a game changer if you dare to master it. First rule, mirror their behavior. Mimic their actions subtly to create an unspoken bond, making them feel an uncanny connection. Plant seeds of doubt. Casually mention other admirers, creating a sense of urgency and competition. Watch as they vie for your attention. Use silence strategically. When they speak, hold eye contact and listen intently. This makes them feel truly seen and valued, deepening their attraction. Employ reverse psychology. Decline their invitations occasionally. Your unexpected aloofness will make them crave your approval even more. Subtle compliments can work wonders. Compliment something unique about them, something they take pride in but rarely hear from others. Create a sense of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep them guessing, wanting to know more. Leverage their insecurities gently. Understand their fears and use them to position yourself as a source of comfort and security. Finally, be unpredictable. Keep them on their toes with your actions and words. Unpredictability can be intoxicating, making them obsess over you.